How to fix TikTok guest request not working. Hello everybody. In this video we are going to teach you how we can fix that issue. So without any delay, let's start the video. So for that, first thing is you need to ensure you have given permissions in order to go live. So for that, long press on your TikTok application first, and then from this pop-up go to the info section, or you may also use the settings in order to head over to this section right here. So from here, what you can do is you may go ahead and look for the option called permissions, and then under app permissions, make sure you have given access to camera. If not, give allow. Similarly, we have this microphone option. Click on microphone. After that, give access to microphone application as well. So first thing is ensure there's two options. Once that is done, you may head over to your TikTok application and then go over to the profile. Tap on profile in the bottom right corner. And then once you tap on profile, you may head over to the three horizontal lines at the top. And then from the menu, select settings and privacy. And then after selecting settings and privacy, go to account option. And the thing is, you need to go to account information and ensure that you are at least 18 years old in order to go live, because that may be causing restrictions on your TikTok. Apart from that, also update your app to the latest version, because sometimes that causes issues with live. So if your app is not updated, you may head over to Play Store application. And then after heading over to Play Store, go to the search. And then go ahead and search for TikTok. Hit TikTok. After that, update your application to the latest version of the application. So these are some of the methods you can follow up. If none of those work, maybe because you have restrictions, so you need to contact the TikTok support team, and that should probably help you out. So that's it for now. You may follow up those steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.